In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add side spacing and set a solid black background in your Wave.video project. First, head into your Wave.video project so you're working directly on the clip or composition you want to adjust. Once your project is open, you should see your video on the canvas along with the timeline. Make sure your video layer is selected so any changes you make apply to the right element. If you're working with multiple clips, it's helpful to select the specific one you need on the timeline before you begin, just to keep everything organized. Now let's add space on the sides. The simplest way to do this is to scale your video down slightly on the canvas so there's visible room to the left and right of the frame. Grab the corner handles of your video and reduce the size uniformly, keeping it centered. If your editor offers fit versus fill options, choose fit so nothing gets cropped and the sides remain open. You'll notice this creates what's often called pillar boxing, which is exactly what we want. Keep an eye on your subject's positioning while you scale. Aim for balanced headroom and keep any important text within the safe area so it doesn't feel cramped. Use alignment guides if they're available to snap the video perfectly to the center, and double-check the edges to ensure nothing is accidentally cut off. With the side spacing in place, let's change the background to a solid black panel. Select the background layer or open the background settings for your canvas. Choose a solid color fill and set it to true black. If you have access to color values, use pure black to avoid any unintended gray tones. This solid background will fill the spaces you created on the sides, giving your video a clean professional pillar box look. If your editor uses a layer stack, confirm that the black background sits behind your video layer so the subject remains clearly visible on top. Take a moment to preview your scene. Black backgrounds can reveal dust or noise, so a quick playback helps you catch any distractions. Finally, review the entire frame. The video should be centered, the side spacing should be even, and the background should be a consistent, solid black with no gaps. If everything looks good, you're done. This simple adjustment is great for maintaining a consistent aspect ratio without cropping, and it adds a sleek, cinematic feel to your project.